So guys, for the first step, you want to unplug your USB. Make sure that's unplugged. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in autoplay settings. Click on it. Make sure that you have autoplay turned off. You want to turn off autoplay. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. This will update the Microsoft Defender antivirus to the latest version. For the next step, you want to plug in your USB, but don't access any files on it. Just plug it into your computer, don't access any files. Just leave it how it is. Next, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. Select scan options, and then click on custom scan, and then click on scan now. On the left hand side, scroll down, and then click on this PC. You want to select your USB drive. It should appear right here. Select your USB drive and then click on select folder. It's now going to start doing a scan of your USB drive. Just wait for this to load. Once you complete that scan, keep your USB plugged in. Now you want to scroll down and then select Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. And then click on scan now. And then click on scan again. And then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer. Just wait for this. It's now going to start running the Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. Just run this scan. Once that's been done, come back into Windows and then the virus should be removed.